Hi, it's Mike from 24 Hour Solar Power, and here today we're talking about our DIY off-grid kits. Now, one of the most empowering things you can do when you want to go off-grid is actually design and install your own off-grid solar system. I want to talk you through our DIY kits and what's included in them and how they work. The first thing we give access to all our customers to is our online video workshop, which is going to teach you how to design and install your off-grid solar system. It's valued up to over $2,000. We designed this video workshop to teach our installers on how to learn to design and install off-grid solar, and this comes as a value of all our off-grid kits for free. This also includes phone support, so Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, any technical questions, you can give us a call and we can teach you how to install your off-grid solar system and walk you through the process. With these designs, they come with a few different panel options. It's quite simple. If you want to go, I only want 9 panels, you can just select 9 panels. If you want more of a premium brand, you can select the premium brand, depending on your budget, what you want to achieve from your solar system. We give it a couple of different panel options. Same with the racking kit. If you change the quantity here, this will actually change the quantity of what's required for the amount of panels that you decide to choose and go ahead with. Now with solar tripods, these are to adjust the angle of your panels. Now with solar panels, the more they stand up an angle, the better they perform in winter. The flatter they lay, the better they perform in summer. We highly recommend these off-grid. You do a lot of research on the internet and basically will say, don't worry about them, put panels flat to roof and things like that. That's more when you see it's a grid-connected solar system. With off-grid, nothing compensates for bad angles in winter and short days. Short days, long nights. We really highly recommend put these solar tripods in an off-grid situation. Select that and change the quantity. You require 1 per panel, and that'll work out how many that you require for your solar system. Now the next thing is choice of inverters. You can start off with a 3 kVA inverter if that's something you want to do, and you can buy another way to add in the future. Or you can start off with a 5 kVA with have less batteries, and in the future you can grow your batteries and things like that. So we give you the option of 2 different inverters. This is more for your nighttime usage. We also offer these AC coupled inverters as a part of the kit. So we pre-program these as simple as hang on the wall and plug some solar panels into them and they work. With these here, they're more for your daytime usage, so they do require the sun to work. So if the weather's not too good, you fall back to your off-grid inverter basically. With all our systems, we give 3 different battery choices. These are all Australian companies that assemble the cells here in Australia. So all these modules here are assembled here in Australia. These white ones here are more designed to compete against the big Chinese companies with the LG Chems, the BYDs and batteries like that. At the end of 10-year warranty period, they give you 60% usable capacity is what they're warranted for. It's very unlikely they'll get to that, but that's what they're warranted for. And this is more their premium brand from the same company, which is their 80% usable capacity at the end of 10 years. The other product is an Australian product, which is an LTO cell. These have a very longevity and they come with a 20-year warranty. So if you read the descriptions here of how many is required of each system, for an example, for your 48 volt 5 kVA system, you're going to require at least 3 of these to make the system work. If any other questions, in the link below, I'm going to leave a description to contact us. If you want access to one of these design kits yourself so you can have a play around and see what it really takes to go off grid, and our free entry-level Solar 101 video course, contact us in the description below and we can send you out the links. Thank you and have a great day.